Stop flipping your food on the grill. Grilling sounds fun until your food starts falling through the grill. Fish breaks apart, meat drops into the fire, vegetables, they roll everywhere. And you keep flipping again and again, just trying not to burn anything. It's messy, it's stressful, and honestly, it kind of ruins the barbecue vibe. This grill basket fixes all of that. You put everything inside, close it, and now you can flip everything at once. No more chasing pieces around the grill. Look how easy this is. Flip once, and everything flips together. Your fish stays intact, your vegetables don't fall through, and nothing gets lost in the fire. This means even cooking, less mess, less stress, and way more fun while grilling. This gadget is perfect for fish, veggies, and even small meat pieces. It's only $24, made of stainless steel, and it folds for easy storage. If you love barbecue but hate the flipping struggle, this is one of those tools that actually makes sense. Link is in the description. Also, do like and subscribe for more best gadgets. Thank you.